All right, guys, I'm here with a Ulta haul. I'm gonna pull everything out so that you don't hear the rustling of the bag, and then I can't wait to show you what I've picked up. The first thing is a new tanning thing. I have been obsessed with the Dulce Glow Tanner. You can get it at Ulta. I love it so much. I've gone through a million of them. But this came out, Tan Luxe Paris Hilton Tanner. And I love that it's a mist because I'm just finding mousses do not work on my skin. Like, I'll be ultra dark with the color guard of the mousse, and then the next morning there's literally no tan. So this one has a 360 mist, which I love the mists. It's supposed to be a nice dark tan, and then it also comes with a mitt, and the packaging is super cute, and it's also supposed to smell like sweet. I can't remember what it's supposed to smell like, but it's supposed to smell really yummy. And oh, it's supposed to smell like pink sands with notes of cassis, violet, and white leather. Oh, summer vacation. Can't wait to try that. Then obviously I've gone coppery. And so I picked up a few products to try to maintain the copper in between my hair visits. So I got this DP Hue Gloss. It's a semi-permanent hair color and deep conditioner in the shade Auburn. Now, sometimes the copper ones are a little too orange, and I'm not trying to go orange. I'm trying to go more of like an orangey brown versus straight orange. And then I also got this glaze, Glossy Glaze 2-minute conditioning glaze for a luminous shine and sheer color. This one I did get in the copper. Picked up, I swear I have this, but I can't find it anywhere. It's the Mega Babe Magic Powder Stay Dry Lotion Potion. Boob sweat is real, man. Where I live, it is so hot, and I am determined to find something to help my boob sweat. So if you know of anything, let me know. I will keep you posted on this. It might be on my Instagram or TikTok if I find that it works. Let me know. Let me know if you've tried this and if it works, because I'm desperate. I cannot stand how every time, like, I can't wear white in the summer because I get the worst boob sweat, and then it sweats off my tan, and then all my shirts turn brown, like, and I have the worst under boob sweat. So if you guys know of anything that works, let me know. Beauty, or REM Beauty, came out with some new like lip gloss oils. These are called, what are you called? The Essential Drip Glossy Balm. I got 2 shades. Aren't they so fun? This first one is in the shade Shirley, maybe like Shirley Temple, Shirley, and Skinny Dipped. And they are really pretty. They are definitely more on the sheer side. Also, they smell unbelievable. They smell like MAC lip glosses, which I just am a sucker for the smell of MAC products. They just smell so good. So that one is Shirley, that one is Skinny Dipped. They're pretty sheer, but super glossy and gorgeous. I just, like, I'm trying with this. I cannot get this new line to work for me. This is the Technicolor Bondi Sands. I got the shade Caramel. I put this on last night. Literally no color. Like, my face did not have the slightest tint of color. And if you look on Ulta and you look at the before and afters, like, there's a drastic change between like the before and the after with this supposed product. I love Bondi Sands, but this literally did nothing for my face. Like, I put it on last night at like 7, this morning at 7, so 12 hours. There was no color to my skin. Like, it did not give me a self tan in the slightest. Another Bobbi Brown product. I filmed a Sephora haul, and I got a couple of the Bobbi Brown lip products, and then I saw these ones at Ulta, and I just grabbed one. This is their extra lip tint, and this is in the shade Extra Lip Tint Bare Nude. And these are just really sheer. I just thought it was so nice, like, to have like a little something easy and glossy to stick on your lips that gave a little bit of color, because I'm always trying to find something that looks good on my lips if I don't have any makeup on, but isn't a full-blown lip, because I feel like that looks weird on me. I just can't do the clean girl aesthetic as much as I try, and I want it to look good on me. I just feel like I either need to be full glam or no makeup at all, but I do want something on my lips and that give a tiny bit of color, because my lips are not very pigmented. So that's why I got those. Morphe Drip Glass Glaze in the shade Froze Bliss. It's a raspberry scented lip gloss, and the color looked super pretty. My daughter is obsessed with having me do her makeup every morning, and so I try to find fun lip glosses that she might like too. Oh yeah, that smells nice. She's 5. She comes in every morning. She's like, Mom, can you do a winged liner? It needs to be sharp, and I like glitter on my eyes, and I want whatever lip combination you have. She literally does that every morning. It's so funny. Oh, that's pretty. It's like pretty sheer, but it has a nice little pinky shift to it and a lot of like little shimmers. So excited about that one. And it smells so good. Then I got the Kula Do Good Illuminating Serum. I hope I like this. It has SPF 30. It was expensive. It was like $48. This has blue screen technology, instantly illuminates for a dewy, hydrated look. The packaging is stunning. Like, this is so cute. I absolutely love the packaging. And it's supposed to be a glowy, like, serum SPF. And when I swatched it on my hand, it looked so pretty. So it goes on. It has a nice smell too. Very fresh smelling. I mean, it looks stunning on the skin. Like, I feel like it looks so glowy without being glittery. So I'm excited to try that. I hope I really love it. And it was expensive. And then the last, this is the Le Monde Gourmand set. And look at, you have so many fragrances. There's 10 in here. And I think it was like under $40 for 10 travel size fragrances. Super cool. So you have Acai Bay, Chai Spice, Creme Vanille, Mille BB, Santal Supreme, Pistachio Brulee, Macaron Rose, Rosé, Citron Glacé, the Matcha, and Latte Coco. So many yummy scents. I cannot wait to sniff these. I've already smelled a few of them, many that I haven't tried yet. So I'm so excited to try those. Have you tried any of these new things from Ulta? Also, I need bronzer recommendations. Let me know your favorite bronzer down in the comments below. All of these will be linked throughout the video or in the description box below. Thank you again so much to all of you who use my links. I really, really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.